Choosing the right business structure can significantly impact your company's future, from tax obligations to investor appeal. Delaware has long been considered the gold standard for business formation, but is it always the best choice? And should you form a corporation or an LLC? Delaware offers strong legal protections and flexible structures that make it ideal for startups seeking venture capital. The state has developed a sophisticated body of corporate law through its specialized Court of Chancery, where judges experienced in business matters can make quick judgments without juries. When comparing a Delaware corporation to an LLC, the management structure is a key difference. Corporations are managed by a board of directors and officers, requiring formal annual meetings and detailed record-keeping. LLCs offer more flexible management options, allowing for either member-managed or manager-managed structures with fewer formalities. Tax treatment varies significantly between these entities. Corporations are subject to corporate income tax as C-Corp, which may result in double taxation, once at the corporate level and again when dividends are distributed to shareholders. LLCs, by default, enjoy pass-through taxation, where profits are taxed only once as personal income of the members. For businesses seeking outside investment, particularly in the tech sector, Delaware corporations hold distinct advantages. The corporate structure is preferred by venture capital firms and institutional investors because it allows for stock options, preferred shares, and convertible notes. LLCs are generally less appealing to outside investors due to complex pass-through taxation and less standardized equity issuance. Delaware's Court of Chancery provides another benefit through legal predictability. The extensive case law, specific to corporations, reduces litigation risks by making outcomes more predictable. While LLCs also benefit from the Chancery Court, corporations gain more from the established judicial precedent. New Jersey offers its own advantages for certain businesses. The state has a vibrant economic climate, with thousands of LLCs formed annually. New Jersey ranks high in job creation and gross domestic product, making it attractive for local operations. One significant benefit of forming an LLC in New Jersey is the tremendous contractual freedom. Members can define capital contributions however they wish and share profits and losses in whatever way best fits the company. The New Jersey LLC Act allows for different membership classes, enabling companies to issue both voting and non-voting interests. New Jersey also simplifies the formation process by not requiring member names in filings. A person can sign the certificate of formation without being a member, and the filer does not need to be an LLC member. This means you could hire a non-member to handle the formation process. Tax considerations often drive the decision between Delaware and New Jersey. Delaware has no sales tax and no state corporate income tax on goods or services not physically in Delaware. The state also does not tax intangible assets like trademarks or patents. However, Delaware does impose a franchise tax that can be expensive for large corporations. New Jersey, on the other hand, applies a corporate business tax that can reach 11.5% for corporations with over $1 million in net income. While there is no franchise tax for LLCs in New Jersey, they must pay an annual fee. For businesses physically based in New Jersey, forming in-state may reduce the complexity and costs of foreign registration. The primary disadvantage of incorporating in Delaware for out-of-state businesses is the requirement to register as a foreign entity in your home state before conducting business there. Depending on your home state's laws, qualifying as a foreign entity can be expensive. Delaware also requires corporations to appoint a registered agent, though this is common in most states. Your business goals should ultimately determine your choice of entity. If you plan to attract venture capital, A Delaware corporation is typically best. For businesses seeking a simple structure, an LLC in either Delaware or New Jersey might be more appropriate. Companies operating locally in New Jersey only might benefit from a New Jersey LLC or corporation to avoid foreign registration costs. Startups anticipating rapid growth, fundraising, or an eventual public offering typically favor the Delaware C corporation structure due to its equity flexibility. Corporations can issue multiple classes of stock, which helps structure investor rights, preferred returns, and convertibles. They are also easier to scale, attract institutional investors, and take public. For many entrepreneurs, the Delaware C Corp has become the default structure that investors expect. It offers standardized frameworks for granting options to founders and employees. However, corporations come with stricter compliance demands. If you do not plan on seeking venture capital or issuing equity, an LLC might be more cost-effective and easier to manage. Delaware offers strong legal protections and is ideal for startups seeking venture capital, while New Jersey provides favorable LLC laws and privacy protections for local businesses. Delaware corporations appeal to investors due to predictable case law and established tax strategies, while LLCs in both states offer pass-through taxation, with Delaware providing enhanced contractual flexibility. When making your decision, consider tax implications, filing fees, annual requirements, and investor expectations. For companies not physically located in the incorporation state, out-of-state registration and maintenance costs should also factor into your choice. The right entity structure aligns with your specific business goals and future plans.